That looks awesome.
This is storm catcher. It's gray screen,
I know.
white hood, and
We can't see you. I can't see
White
anything
track.
behind there.
This looks really, really good.
This one will probably be easy to notice because
and this has a continuous hood for the second opening.
the living room and hits you right here.
So it's a completely sealed lanai opening.
So
It's a third
I didn't
hood,
bring any with
which
me.
is
Did they leave
installed on
any
the
on
inside.
site for you at all? Okay, so
It's just been finished, so the track hasn't been covered, but the inspection's been done. So the inspector can see the bolts and
it's called a limit slick. But once
all
a
of
year,
the
maybe twice a year.
bolts correctly
About
installed.
halfway up the tracks.
So all these openings are going to be covered with plugs and the track covered with trim.
This looks really, really good.
One inside mount
So
here.
yeah, don't throw these away. Did they leave buttons for you as well?
This is what it looks like from the inside, where you can see right through the screen,
We just had this put into the paper,
Papers.
so we're still.
but from the outside, gives you a lot of privacy. There's a total of 3 screens, and 2 outside and 1 inside mount.
Looks really, really good. And then we got slide screens for the sides, right? I saw those.
The rest of the house has been covered with our slide screen product. We'll take a look at that too.
No, I mean,
There's
we're
the
waiting.
storm catcher
Oh, to have one
hurricane
installed.
screen going up.
Yeah. There's usually, there are a couple weeks
No, there must be.
It's very quiet, smooth operation.
We're still waiting.
Terrific.
We're getting hurricane news